Sa historic 2 Olympic gold medals ni Carlos Yulo, debate na naman na oras na ang ibang sports naman ang pondohan besides basketball. Sa video ngayon, wala lang, trip ko lang kung what if tinabi si Kaloy sa ating Gilas, Pilipinas. Ito barometer natin si L.A. Tenorio. L.A. Tenorio is one of the smallest players in PBA history at nagmukhang higante kay Carlos Yulo. Kaya enjoy watching the curiosity in this video, kaya inedit ko to. Kung trip nyo, edi continue. Iiwan lang ako ng isang message. This little boy sa picture, no matter how tiny he looks, is the biggest man in Philippine sports history today. Oo, ang liit, but he conquered the world. May sariling version ng David at Goliath ang Pinas, and it so happened na David was named Kaloy Yulo. I don't intend to start arguments, pero kung may opinion kayo regarding sa Gilas at sa debate ngayon sa pagtuon ng focus sa ibang sports, i-comment nyo na lang sa ibaba at try ko ring makipag-discuss sa inyo. Pero ang akin lang, curious lang talaga ako kung ano ang itsura kapag pinagtabi si Kaloy at Gilas. Nothing more, nothing less. Pero bago nyo tapusin to, share ko lang din ang article na nabasa ko about Kaloy, and part of the article says, it was a masterpiece of fine curation in the Louvre of human emotion. Every masterpiece, they say, has a cheap copy. But before a gallery straddling between awe and excitement, all artistic imitations failed. Every inch of Kaloy was fearless, and undeniably now, peerless. It was a performance smited and styled like a personal revolution, echoing liberty, fraternity, and equality in bold and imposing figures for the bustling French capital to see.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, please like, share, and subscribe. I-follow mo na rin ang ating social media platforms for more exclusive sports content. Until then, this has been Courtside Buckets. See you on the next one.